a box here. And I know that I always talk about how we need to step outside of the box. And here I am doing an unboxing. And this particular unboxing is fun for me because if you can read it, it's called Practical Homeopathy Home Kit. Now, I've collaborated with Boron to put this kit together. So I'm going to open it. I haven't even seen it yet. I've seen images of it that Boron has sent me, but I have not seen the reality of it. So here we go. And see how the, oh my. Oh, it's so strange to see a picture of yourself. Here it is. Here's the kit. My image, so that you know that I have curated this, friends. I've worked with Boron for many months. Well, actually a bit longer than that, probably close to about a year. And so I'll open it up so you can see it. And I'm looking forward to seeing this too. Let's see how this opens. Oh, of course, Oscillococcinum. There are three of them, three boxes. And then this looks like, well, these are the remedies because we have to fill the remedies into the kit ourselves. This is the kind of kit that I have always dreamed of. I have kits and I value my homeopathy kits a great deal. So if you don't have one, you'll know what I mean once you get one. But what I've always wanted is a kit that has many of the protocols that I teach so that you're not trying to figure out what to use each time. Instead, what I want you to be able to do is to go to my blog, look for the name of the condition that your family member is suffering from, and it'll tell you what the remedies are. There's usually 1, 2, or 3 choices. And then you can go to this kit. Now, it's not going to have every remedy. And on the back of it, it does list them all. Here are all the remedies. And we have 30s and 200s and 6s. So let's open it up. Let's see how this looks. It's pretty exciting. Exciting for me. And perhaps you'll be excited by this too, because it will make your life easier. This is stepping outside of the box and giving your life more independence, health independence. Oh, I see. Well, it says homeopathy in the front. There are drawers. Oh, and they're the smaller ones here. And that's where the Oscillococcinum goes in. And then you can organize them alphabetically. So here's Spongia 30 and Maturia Sol 30 and Veratrum album 200. Oh, here's Pyrogenium, always in a 200. Have I used Pyrogenium in a 30? I have, but I really like it in a 200. Then there's tobacco, one of our great medicines for nausea, motion sickness, and the first trimester of pregnancy with nausea. Tobacco, the 30th potency is when I like it. Now, it doesn't mean we can't use these remedies in other potencies. But these are the ones that are tried and true for me. Pulsatilla 30, Kelly Carb, such a great medicine at 200C for lung conditions. Let's see what else we've got here. Ipecac, I use this far too frequently because I overeat fats sometimes. So you see what I'm doing is I'm emptying this box. I'll put them in alphabetical order later. This is exciting, friends. I can't wait for you to see this yourself. I would put this in my car, or in my medicine cabinet, or in the kitchen cabinet, or any place where you spend the most time treating your family, your children, your husband, your friends, your pets, your livestock. This is truly stepping outside of the box.